Take your CJ7 all the way to 11. Jeepin' with cool guy.
Next, we're going to take off the dash pad. Here it is, nice and pretty. Doesn't really do much for catching bugs when there's no windshield, but let's see, this is really simple. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts across here. Your Jeep may have different types, whatever that may be. Mine's is a hex head. I put stainless steels in there, and there's also 4 that go across the back here. Okay, here we go. Yay! Should always keep one of these underneath your seat. You never know when you're going to need it. Now when I took this thing off originally, first time, I had about 5 pounds of rust falling down on my lap. It was rather interesting. Upsetting a little bit. Tag and bag. Alright, now we're getting to the very last one. I'm going to be very careful here because I don't want to break off these black tabs. I'll show you these in a second. Okay, so this Jeep in particular has the side window vents. Pad has this inner cut here. What I was talking about with the tabs are these things here across the back. So if you take this off the back of your Jeep, you find that this whole thing is rusted out, don't throw it away. I made that mistake because as long as the front part is in good shape, this thing's worth a fair amount of money. So what I did is I chipped off all of the old rust as much as I could, got rid of as much of the old stuff, cut it out with a Dremel, filled all the sub stuff underneath with as much caulk as I could. And then I did some rust preventer or converter, and then I spray painted it black. And really when it comes down to it, your dash pad, you never see the back of it. So as long as you can get it in good shape where it isn't leaking rust all over the place, then you're in good shape. That's your dash pad.